Look at that, so cute birdie. The bird's so friendly. What's the pet store? Our room. Look at how cute, and she is super cute, and she liked me. She liked me. She liked to stay close to me. Look, she's not moving, going anywhere. She's so cute. I like to take her home. If I'm going far, he will become. Look, come close to me. Hey you. Hey you. How cute is that? Super cute. What's she doing? Try to showing all her stuff. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Come on. Get down. Look. Come back. She like my nails. No, you see that. Okay, she's here. I'm going all the way there. And she'll come back. Watch. Look, come back. Looking for me. Look, look. It's so funny. So funny. Looking for me. Look, I'm going far and he will come back. He like me. Look. Just come close to me. Oh, he's so cute. I should take it home. You want to go home? Let's go. Let's go. You want to go home? You want to go home? Yeah, you do. You do. You do. Rubbing. He's so cute. Super cute. I don't know what to do. He's so loved. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.